to another video on Minecraft. I'm here with my friend Magic Mike and Quiet Potato. Yeah, she said to me on Minecraft. Yeah, she said on Minecraft to me, and apparently she said that she didn't. She said, I eat chocolate and it makes me fart, which is pretty funny, she said. And because she says it like, because she's American, she's like, oh, I fart. And I think it's funny. Here's your gold. Oh, you have fully gold armor. You can make like weapons and that. Come here. Stop running around. I do 2 farts. 1, 2. Everyone do 2 farts. Ready? Steady. 1, 2. We need to make a toilet room so then we can just fart in there all day. Right. Your gold here, so you can make fully armor. Give me the rest of the iron. Come here. X Magic. Turn around. That's all of it. Don't take it! Don't take it! I'm watching you. I just want to watch it. Oh, you want to threaten me with that? I'll threaten you with a pickaxe. Just take it, make all fully armor, then give me the rest back. That's all you got to do.
Okay.
Oh! Where did you fail? Fail. Where did you fail? What, here? Wow! Ow! Ow! I was wondering. Now watch me whip. Now watch me day day. Okay, now watch me whip. Whip. Watch me day day.
Okay, look. I need
Your helmet. Pick your helmet.
I already have, and I don't have a helmet now because I'm missing one.
You numpty. I don't need this.
No, I thought we had a helmet and forgot.
Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay nay. Okay, now watch me whip. Whip. Watch me nay nay. Give it to. No, I missed. Do 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 do. I can see the sunlight. Oh, you can have. How much is a helmet? Wait, let me just check. Oh, you need 1 more iron. 1 more iron. Here's your gold, Quiet Potato. You can make anything out of it. It's for you. Alright, I'll go and get you 1 more iron because you're special. Wait, let's make TNT. Let's make TNT. So then we can blow it up. Blow the thing. Yeah. What is TNT? Oh, do we have any of that? Right, we're going to go exploring. Do any of you want to come with me? Make sure you got a map with you. Alright, I've got 3 maps in here. So Quiet Potato, if you want to come along, you can.
I need to grab a map.
Alright, what do you have a map? There you go, map behind you. Alright, we're going to go hunting. Follow me, if you're coming.
Okay, let's go get some food.
Yeah, we're going to get some food, Quiet Potato. Oh yeah, guys, in the next video, we might doing this upgrade, where we're going to upgrade the house and everything. Like, make the stairs cool and everything. So then we won't have to keep falling down and hurting our hearts. Our lovely hearts. I took the iron in case. Is there any iron down here? No. Is that your baby or something? Do badu 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 doo. Dooby dooby doo boo boo doop 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 doop. Wait for me.
I found so many flowers. They're so pretty.
Ah, pretty flowers.
Orange ones.
Yeah, we can make a garden. Pretty flowers, pretty, pretty. Sound like a flipping 3-year-old. Pretty flowers, pretty, pretty. Pretty, 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 pretty. Pretty flowers, pretty, pretty. I see zombie, 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 zombie. Oh no, I don't. It's just my mind. Ah, pretty flowers, pretty, pretty, pretty. Did I just say pretty? Wait, we're meant to be going food hunting, not flower hunting. Wait, you just left me to rot and eat rot food.
I need food right now. I don't have food hungry.
Wait for me. I am only 6. Wait for me. I'm a little 6-year-old. Hee Now watch me whip. Now watch me nay. Okay. Chicken. Alright, I'll stop now. Skip. Chicken, my chicken. Leave it alone. I found it first.
I killed it.
No, I got 1 XP from it. Wow. Just grabbing some wood. In case we might... No, let's grab some wood for the next episode, for when we make the stairs. So then otherwise we'll have to do it when it's off camera. Yeah. But I'm just getting some in case. Pig. Yeah, quiet potato, I'm coming. Superman. I'm gonna try and fly. You ready? Dun 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 dun. I can see a rainbow. So technically we went round the whole thing and we came back here. What the hell? Right, we're going upwards. I'm going out. I'm going timber. You better move. That's just my terrible singing. Ow. Ooh. E. Hiya. Hiya, ninja. Yeah, ninja warrior. Hiya, ninja. Like a ninja. Cow. You know what to do, kawaii potato. Kawaii potato, you know what to do. Kawaii potato. Quiet potato, you know what to do. Black and yellow.
You're ready to eat? Isn't Kawaii Potato supposed to make kid games like that?
Yeah, he is. She is, but she's not listening. You do it.
I can do it.
Are you have moderator?
Want me to?
Yeah, you do.
Yeah. Okay.
Freeze! Black and yellow. You know what it is. Well done, my mate. My warrior. Dog. Come here. No, it's an angry dog. No. Let me kill the rabbit for you. I want to have the food. Let me give you some food. He loved me. Alright, come on, dog. Let's go. I've got a dog. Alex Snake. Alexia Snake. Alexia Dalla Snake. Oh, right. Let's not go up here because of my dog.
I did my job. Oh no.
Oh, I wish you came to me because you would have been able to breed another dog. Because I found another one. I'm going to breed it. I have 2 dogs. I have 1 bone and I'm saving it for my friends. Wait. I have 3 dogs to protect us from evilness. I am a lucky kid. I am a really lucky leader of the pack. Yes, a leader of the pack. I am a very lucky kid. You see that? Yeah. Don't look away from me. Yeah, you better regret it. Regret it. Kawaii Potato. I breeded 3 dogs. 3. I'm at the house now. I can see a rainbow. See a rainbow. What is Kawaii Potato doing at that door? Dun dun dun. Look, I breeded 3 dogs. 3 dogs. Where's the other one? The 3rd one is to come in. Kawaii Potato, you're blocking it. Move out of the way. No. No, dogs, sit. No, Kawaii, run. No, Kawaii, run. Bad dogs. Bad dogs. Bad. Now, you naughty dogs. I'm going to pit you down if you do that again. You bad dogs. You naughty. Naughty dogs. Yeah?
I have to go so I can eat with my niece, my grandpa, and restaurant.
Alright, let's end the video then. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and I'm gonna finish this shortly because my friend Magic Mike has to go and my stupid dogs killed who is it? Kawaii Potato. So do you want to just watch me put these dogs down quickly? Where are they? You bad dog! Bad dogs! I'm putting you down for murder! You bad dogs! No! Warrior! Alright, so guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Subscribe underneath the bottom and peace out.